Hello everyone, I hope you guys doing okay. So I'm back with another video. Same analysis, EURUSD GBP and GBPUSD along with DXY. I'm sorry I wasn't able to make video on Wednesday. I had something personal to take care of. Although I told you guys in the last video that I probably would make a video, update a video midweek, like by Wednesday, and tell you guys what's going on. Um, so on Wednesday, I was briefly able to see what was going on, and to be honest, uh, the video I made last week that was published last Friday, or sorry, Saturday, was still valid. The analysis I gave there was still valid till Wednesday, So I thought, okay, one I was one I was busy, and two I thought, okay, so there's nothing much to update. That's why I was not, not I didn't make a video anyway. So let's start this week with this ramble, and let's get into what is going on and what happened last week, and on top of that we'll start to work on what we think is going to happen in coming week for both euro and pound, and we'll look at the economic calendar as well, and at the end, on the basis of economic calendar, we'll probably do the profiling of our euro USD and GBP USD. Yeah, so let's start then. So last week I told you guys this is probably going to go down, and it is going to go down because I thought um, the high I've been mentioning from last couple of weeks is was taken about 2 weeks ago now, and I thought this is a significant high, and I we are bound to see some sort of reaction after taking the high. So last week you can see a big black candle down that purely tells us that now the sellers are coming into market, and seller was not in control at all from 30th of September. So you can say October and November, whole month was basically very strong bull run towards the upside, and for 2 months straight, sellers were not the dominant parties in the market. Anyways, for now, it feels like for the first time in last 2 months, there's been some heavy sellers which is making the market go down. So um, the first target, as I told you in my previous video, so this is a drawing from our previous video. I'm not going to change that, okay? So I'm going to keep it as it is. I'm not one of the analysis on YouTube that I'll keep changing my analysis in every video. I won't do that. I usually take, and I try to take up from where I left last week. So this is where we left last week, and we were here about last week, and told you guys going to go down. I told you guys this is going to be the first target, and this first target, I'm going to see how this is going to react, and probably it's going to be going to go down to hit the second target. If it comes down to the first target, I'm almost 70 to 80% sure this is also going to go down to the second target, this one as well. So I just wanted to hit this target first. Probably the good good thing to do once it's done that is to action from there, and once it breaks it down, probably it is going to find support here. This is what I think on this big candle, and then probably it's going to go down and hit this target as well. I personally think this would go below than this block that we delineated as well. This will go down up till here, but just not, let's get carried away by that. Just keep the short target in your sights for now. For the lowest hanging fruit right now is this volume imbalance on weekly chart. This one, yeah. So this is what we want. This is what our insights right now, and this is what we're looking at, and this we're hoping. And when we're hoping this is going to happen, that means only one thing, and that is this is going to be absolutely kind of inverse scenario on pound and euro. So let's go towards euro first and see what's going on with there. All right, same thing here as I told you about DXY. Um, DXY took a high, significant one, and came down, and euro, which is polar opposite of DXY, took the low and went above. So DXY basically did took a dip, and euro is trying to take a to move in favors of buyers right now. And the first target for us, as I have delineated multiple times, is this low. This is the thingy, or this is the low. This is a fractal. This was a run that is of interest to me right now, and I want the market to go up, hit this, and once it hit this, and then I'll probably will wait for the next target. But the first target, the lowest hanging fruit right now is this level, which is 107 level, 107.50 I would say, although say 107.61, but let's take it 107.50, 60 level. Yeah, this is level that it needs to go to and hit it. I would say we are going to do that um, in this week, because I think there might be a very big push coming by NFP. Big data is going to be released on DXY, that is dollar index, and that is going to push it down basically, and then Euro USD is going to go up. I'm going to discuss that in detail once we go to the forex factory economic calendar. But let's keep it simple and just concentrate on what we think is going to happen on Euro first, and then we'll discuss that later. Yeah. So it's going to go up, and the last time I told you guys, we were basically here last time. I told you I want this high to be taken out, and then this high is of most significance to me, significant to me. I want this high to be taken out. Once this high is taken out, and we get a 4 hour closure above that, then I'm up, almost certain that this now is going to go up, yeah, to hit this target. And we did we did good last week. We went up as expected, but not as we didn't took out this high yet. So I'm just waiting for this high to be taken, although I'm in trade from 1.04 exactly. This is the level. Here's the level. Yeah, this is a level from where I'm trade at just start of this week. I'm in trade, and I'm holding it for um, I'm holding for a big run basically. I'm trying to hold it till oh 09s. This is what I'm holding for this high, and I think the low is going to be stay in, and we will see price go towards my target. So this is a trade I'm looking at the minute. Uh, and but this, if this high is taken out and I get a 4 hour closure, okay, 4 hour closure above that, that would be absolute confidence booster for me in this trade. And I will be probably, I'll probably look to add one more position there on top of my position that I have in the bottom, probably one more position around this area, and take it to the same sort of high. So this is what I'm looking at. This is what I'm doing in my personal accounts. This is what I'm doing in my accounts that I'm managing, and this is what I think is going to play out. So but I am careful as well, because this is going to be, I think, a dodgy week. So if this if this comes down, like if it doesn't happen and price try to do some funny thing, um, and it starts to, maybe after taking this high, it starts to come down maybe, then I do not want this low that was created to be taken out. If it take comes down and take out this low, then probably I'll be recalibrating. Otherwise, I think any push down towards even this very very sort of very very gap that is on 8 hour, let's go to 4 hour, this sort of fair value gap, that probably is of interest to me. Maybe price will come down, hit this area, and go up, and probably come down, hit this wick, and the biggest wick of all, this one. It can even come down and hit the midpoint of this wick. And if it does, I am not doing anything. I'm not cutting my position short. I'm just holding. I'm just backing up myself against my thesis, that is, this low is going to hold, and the price is going to go up towards the target that I've already delineated. So this is of high importance for me right now. I want a 4 hour closure above that, and probably uh, daily closure above that. Once that happens, uh, probably it's going to go up. So let me um, write down something so we can remember what that means next time. So let's write down confirmation. 4 hour and daily closes above. Okay, so I'm going to leave it here like that, and I'm going to probably we keep revisiting this in next videos and see how this played out. But this is what I'm going to leave it in the chart for now. So this is what is for euro, and let's go to the pound now. All right, so pound, yeah. Same thing. I told you guys this was the low that needs to be taken, and this was the dip that I told you guys was an unexpected dip. This one, I was not expecting at all this kind of dip. And then the week started, and we were right here, and I told you it's either going to go up, hit this block, and come down. But chances of that happening are very low. The highest chance of what will happen is it would go up, come down, find support here, and it would fly away. Yeah, this is what I told you guys last time. And let's see what happened exactly as predicted. Um, it went up. Let me go to 1 hour, show you what happened. It went up first, probably not taking this up. I went up, uh, found support from the block that we made, that we laid out on the charts last week, and then it started to go up again. This is a trade that I told you I would be interested in, and I am not in this trade because I wanted the price to come down a little bit more. I wanted the price to come down to the level of this level. What is this level? This is 12613. 1.2613. This was kind of thing that I was waiting the price to come down. It just went up from here. So but this is a trade idea that I pasted, showed you guys last time, sort of traded I would be interested in. I am not in this trade because it went up without me, and that is okay. This sort of thing happens. The worst thing that you can do right now is revenge kind of training, and try to catch up a position that you're not, because you just not got your fill. So just stay away, stay patient if you're not in it. The target for now is, this is going to be the first target. This is 128.79 on pound is going to be the first target, and if that hits, basically we're probably looking for next target, which is this order block, sorry, this fair value gap or inefficiency right above there. So this is going to be the second target, and I am just hoping I can, once the storm is weathered, like after this week, I probably would look into adding two more positions on pound and euro, because definitely after this week we'll have a very good idea where the price is heading. We sort of have a very good idea where the price is heading right now, but I just want this high on euro to be taken out, and I just want um, the price not to do a lot of uh, you know down movement through this coming weekend. Once when as soon as it does that, I probably would be very comfortable for next coming 2 3 weeks, that I'm just what I'm doing is just keep adding positions. There's a lot of liquidity there. Look at that. This is beautiful, beautiful. So probably would be adding positions to that until these are taken, and then this target, ultimate target, is taken out. So this was it. And for pound or GBPUSD, now let me get back to the forex factory for economic calendar. So for the coming week, starting from Monday, the 2nd December to 6th December, you can see that Monday is going to be a red folder news, that is going to be 10 New York time. So that means that is basically good. That means that I would expect this high to be taken out on Monday. Whether we get a close above that or not, I'm not sure, but I expect now this high to be taken out on Monday. Okay, then Tuesday we got CPI. We got CPI, but it's not relevant. Are we just interested in dollar? So dollar news on Tuesday as well at 10, same as Monday. So that's good as well. Usually when there's a week when there is non-farm employment change, when this news comes out in this sort of week, and this sort of news comes out every first week of the month. This is the first week of the month. So when this data come out, I usually what I do is I'm done for my trading for a week till the Tuesday. So if on Wednesday I'm in a position, I cut short my stop loss. I just make it very very close to my position if I'm in a position. I do not add any more positions on Wednesday because I'm primarily a swing trader. So I just want to save my as first, and then try to make some money. So Wednesday is like this. I have lost a lot of money trading this day when this data used to come out in past years, and I've learned that I don't need to do that because this was eating up my good gains that I was making on other days. So I'm not trading on Wednesday. Thursday is maybe I would take a scalp on Thursday, but Friday again, non-farm employment change. Once again, this data is going to be dangerous as well. And look at the previous and look at that forecast is going to be big change expected. So I think this is going to be a very explosive Friday, very very explosive Friday. So I'll just stay away. And probably if I'm not too sure the price, what the price is going to, I probably would even think about closing my position as well, because you never know about on non-farm payroll. It's a very dodgy kind of thing. So for the weekly profiling for USD, I would say it is going to take this high on Monday. If not on Monday, ideally it would take out this high Monday, and then on, if not on Monday, then it take with this high on Tuesday. What I want is a daily close above this high. And if I get a daily close above this high on Monday or either Tuesday, end of the day, I would be very confident the price is not coming down, and it has only one thing in its side, and which is this low with our first target. Yeah, I would be very very confident this is on the menu then. But if Wednesday comes and we are already closed above this, and even after closing above this, we Wednesday come, we might take a very quick dip into this level or even to this level. But I do not expect Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, including takeout, to for the price to come down that low. I don't. And if it does, I probably would be this would be a point of reassessment of the bias, and yeah, I probably have to recalibrate myself with the price action of euro and on euro and pound. So this is what I think is going to happen on euro. Monday, Tuesday, I want it above, close above, and then Tuesday maybe just quick dips with I would ideally want to see you know a lot of uh, big wicks downside, pushing the price up, and price goes up to take this once should go up and take this hit this first target. For GBP USD, I would say the same thing. I would say it would go up furthermore towards the target, but the area that it could come down to is still the same area here. This is where I still think it could come down this, and if it does, it should find support here. And beware when I say find support. If the price even goes down, then this area for interest, I do not want candles to be closing 4 hour, 8 hour, and daily candles to be closing below this. I just want VIX uh, from just VIX hanging below this area, nothing else, not candle bodies. This is what I want. And if I see this, that means okay, we're good to go. And if this is the case by Friday, and then probably we would make very significant movement in coming weeks, in couple of 2-3 weeks of the month on December before Christmas. So the other thing that can happen is opposite scenario is like on after Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday on euro and pound, instead of price coming down or making a quick dips, it would explode towards upside and take this hit this target on both EURUSD and GBPUSD. This one GBPUSD on Wednesday. This would be the second scenario. Obviously, this has equal chance of happening as well. But both of these scenarios, like I like them. These are according to our bias, according to my bias, and this is what I think is going to happen. So um, this is what I'm thinking, and this is where I'm at right now. So this is all for this week. And if you are watching these videos, please do subscribe, do like, do press like, and stay tuned.